Let's learn how to add the message button on an Instagram post. So if you are a creator or business and have an Instagram account, it's a good idea to add the message button below your posts because it can allow people to message you faster with one click of a button. It's really useful. So let's learn how to add. Open the Instagram account on your device and then go to your Instagram profile. You need to make sure that your account type is a creator type or business. If it's not, then tap on the three lines, then Settings, click on Account, and now scroll down until you can see a Switch to Professional Account button. Now go through these steps on switching to a business or creator account, and after you do that and set everything up, we're going to add a message button to our posts. So click on the little plus to create a new post, and now you can edit your post and add whatever you want to. And when you are on this page, click on the Add Message button, and it's going to ask you where you want to get messages. So if you have multiple Instagram accounts, select a profile here and then click on Done. And when we share our Instagram post, you are going to see a little send message right here, and when your followers or anyone clicks on this, then can easily send you messages. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.